Namaste, dear children. I hope all of you are fine. In previous day, I taught you the lesson called "The World We Live in." I explained you that the earlier people believed that Earth was flat like a plate. They were afraid to travel far because they thought that if they reach edge of the earth, they will fall down. At that time, the Greek thinker in the 6th century called Pythagoras discovered that the only small portion of the earth appears like a flat, and he given its name as geoid. And we learned that the planet earth look like a globe. Globe is nothing but a miniature model of earth. And I explained about poles and axis. Poles means from north side it is called north pole, and the south edge is called south pole. The measurement of north pole to south pole is called earth axis. And even I taught you latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes is nothing but children, it is an imaginary line drawn on earth by a geographer to find out the different places and their distances. And even I explained you the equator. Equator is an imaginary horizontal line drawn on the earth, that is 0 degree. It divides the earth into two parts, that is from north 0 degree to north it is called northern hemisphere, and from 0 degree to south is called southern hemisphere. Hemisphere is nothing but a half part. And the longitudes are parallel lines. It is also called parallels because it never meet each other. Latitudes tell us how far north and south, means to measure the places from north to south how many kilometer it is. Understood? And equators another name is 0 degree latitude. I hope all of you understood till here. Today we will continue the same lesson, that numbering the latitudes. The first point is we start from the equator and mark it as 0 degree latitude. As I told you, the earth is equally divided. The middle part is called 0 degree latitude. The second point, the other latitudes are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree on both sides of the equator towards the north and south. Means one part is from 0 degree to north it is 90 degree, and from 0 degree to south it is 90 degree. Altogether it is 180 latitudes are there. Latitudes are separated by a distance of 1 degree from each other. Children, 0 degree to next latitude line is 1 degree in their measurement. They all are 1 degree far away. The north pole is written as 90 degree north, and the south pole is written as 90 degree south. Other than the equator, there are 180 latitudes drawn on the surface of earth. Altogether latitudes are 180. In 180 we can study some important latitudes. Because we can't study altogether 180 latitudes, we study in that only important latitudes. Today we look at which are the important latitudes. The first one, the North Pole 90 degree north, the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, the Equator 0 degree, the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south, the South Pole 90 degrees south. This topic we study in this picture. According to this picture, we can see that shape of earth divided into two equal parts, means northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The middle is 0 degree equator. From 0 degree equator to north 23.5 degree is called Tropic of Cancer. From there again moving to north 66.5 degree is called Arctic Circle. From Arctic Circle to the end of the 90 degree it is called North Pole. As moving downwards from 0 degree equator to 23.5 degrees south, we call it as Tropic of Capricorn. As you all know children, we live in Tropic of Capricorn. It is called in Kannada Makara Sankranti Vrata. We celebrate the festival also Makara Sankranti. Means from when sunrise falls from north towards south. The first sunrise of the year, we celebrate it as Makara Sankranti. So all Indians live in Tropic of means India's southern part people are live in Tropic of Capricorn and northern part Indians are live in Tropic of Cancer. Understood children? As move from Tropic of Capricorn to 66.5 degrees south, we call it as Antarctic Circle. From Antarctic Circle to end of the South Pole, it is called 90 degrees South Pole. I hope all of you understood children. Okay. Now we learn longitudes. Longitude also the imaginary vertical lines. They run from the northern pole to the southern pole are called longitudes. They are also called meridians. The longitude that passes through Greenwich, a village near London, is called the Greenwich Meridian or the Prime Meridian. It is also called the 0 degree longitude. This longitude is the basis for calculating International Standard Time. Means according to this only our time is taken from Greenwich Meridian, that is 0 degree longitude. The standard time is measured. Longitude tell us how far east or west. As latitude tell us how far place is from north and south. Like that, longitude tell us how far the places from east and west from the 0 degree prime meridian. Understood? And numbering the longitudes. This is also like latitudes. We start from the prime meridian and mark it has 0 degree longitude. 0 degree longitude to east, it is called east pole. From 0 degree to west, it is called west pole. Understood? Longitude to the east of the prime meridian are marked at 0 degree east to 180 degree. From longitudes. The longitudes west of the prime meridian are marked 0 degree west to 180 degree west longitudes. As I told. Understood? Latitudes are 180 in number, but longitudes are 360 in numbers. Understood? Now we look at fourth point. The longitudes 180 degree east and 180 degree west are the same line. There are 360 meridians of longitude, means lines of longitudes. Meridians are drawn at interval of 1 degree, means each one also in distance is 1 degree from each other. Longitudes are not parallel lines. They are all equal in length. They meet at the poles. Longitudes meet at the poles, means east pole or west pole, they meet each other. When latitudes and longitude cross each other, means from longitude from upside to downside and latitude from east to west touch each other, they form a grid. This entire set of imaginary squares is the form of grids. Each grid helps us to correctly locate the places on a globe or on a map. With the help of this crossing lines, the distance between the places are found. Today we stop here children. You have to read till here 3 times. Before that I will explain the picture. Meridians or longitudes. See, now from upside to downwards it is called latitudes, but these longitudes are from east to west. east to west. From east side it is 180 longitudes, in west side it is 180 longitudes. Understood? From 0 degree to each longitude contain distance is 1 degree, and and it is counted as 80 degree east, 60 degree east, 30 degree east. Like that in west also, 30 degree west, 60 degree west, 80 degree west. Today's homework is you have to write the important latitudes 3 times in your social homework book. And regarding this one video I am sending, watch that video regarding longitudes and latitudes carefully and understand how it is divided. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Thank you, children.
The world we live in. Earlier, we discussed about globe and poles and axes. Today's topic is latitudes and longitudes. What are latitudes and longitudes? They are used to locate places on Earth. They are imaginary lines which have been drawn on its surface by geographers. They are called latitudes and longitudes. So, what are latitudes and longitudes? They are imaginary lines that have been drawn on the surface of the earth. Okay. So, coming to latitudes, imaginary horizontal lines drawn parallel. That means one above the other. Okay. It means one above the other to the equator are called latitudes. What is equator? The equator is an imaginary horizontal line that runs around the middle of the earth and divides earth into two equal halves called hemispheres. The northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. What is hemisphere? That means that sphere is divided into half. That is why it is called as hemisphere. Okay. Latitudes tell us how far north or south a place is from equator. Equator will be in the middle, right? Equator will be is the middle of the earth. So these horizontal lines are there, no? So they tell us how far north or south a place is from equator. Okay, the equator is the longest latitude. It is also known as 0 degree latitude. Starting from equator, all the other horizontal lines are drawn. So now coming to the numbering of latitudes. Children, this is very important, remember. Okay, so first we start from the equator and mark it as, previously we discussed what it is, 0 degree latitude. Okay. The other latitudes are marked from 0 to 90 degrees on both sides of the equator, above the equator and below the equator, towards the north and south. Okay. So now latitudes are separated by a distance of 1 degree from each other. Okay, children. The north pole is written as 90 degrees north and the south pole is written as 90 degree south. Other than the equator, there are 180 latitudes drawn on the surface of earth. Okay. Throughout the earth, how many latitudes are drawn? 180. 180. Got it? 90 above and 90 below. Got it? Okay then. Some important latitudes. See here in the picture, the North Pole is 90 degrees north. The Arctic circle is 66.5 degree north. Where this Arctic circle is exactly lying on the earth, it is at 66.5 degree north. Okay, the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. Where this Tropic of Cancer line is there? At 23.5 degree north. And what is the equator? 0 degree, we know that. Then now the Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degree south. The Antarctic Circle is 66.5 degree south. The South Pole is 90 degree south. Children, you understood or not? First, immediately after drawing a circle, you have to mark on the topmost part as 90 degree north and downmost part as 90 degree south. So immediately the first line comes as Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north. The same thing at the down part also, that is 66.5 degree south, will be having Antarctic Circle. Up one is Arctic and down one is Antarctic. Okay, and the same again. The second line is 23.5 north, that is Tropic of Cancer, and it is 23.5 north, and the same 23.5 south is Tropic of Capricorn. And the middle one is, we already know that it is 0 degrees, that is equator. Okay children, this is very important children. Okay, in the next class I will be explaining longitudes. Thank you children.